welcome to Makeup Minds. Today is a really exciting day because I finally got my Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Box. I got a tinier one. I think it's the Deluxe, and I got two $12 mystery treats. So the last time I ordered Jeffree Star, that was the very first time I ordered it, was the Spring Sting mystery treats, and I ordered five $12 products and one $6 product, and the parcel actually got delivered when I was at work, and I had to work a double that day. Like, I had to stay into the night till the next morning, and I was so excited to know like what is in my box. Like, I watched all these videos on YouTube, and I was like, oh my god, like I gotta know. So my boyfriend actually came and dropped my parcel to work. So I opened it over there, and basically I got I got Beauty Killer 2 Androgyny. Androgyny is what I use on my eyes today. Cremated. Oh, brain's freezing here. Jawbreaker and the Ice Frost palette. And I got a lipstick. I actually had the lipstick out here somewhere, but I can't find it. But that shade, like, I haven't touched it because I know it's not gonna look good on my skin tone, so I haven't even swatched it or nothing. So I ordered two $12 mystery treats. The chances of it being something that I already have are really high. I know that, but I just had to. Like, you never know if you're gonna get lucky. So anyway, okay, here's the box. Ooh, it's a wee bit too big for and it's the little card. Okay, and okay, so let's try to do this way. I don't know. All the wrapping paper. Oh, so I got two of the palettes I already have. I knew the chances were high of that. Oh, and I got Androgyny, which I actually used on my eyes today. Kind of funny. So Androgyny and Cremated are the two $12 treats I got, and I know this is a fairly new channel, but once I hit maybe like 100 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I'm gonna give that away to someone who would actually use it, because I already have those two, right? So what's the point of keeping it if I already have it? I would much rather like give it away to someone who could use it. Okay, I keep all that wrapping paper. I don't know if this is a smart thing to do or not, but I line up all my makeup drawers with the last box that I got, all the wrapping paper. I put it in there, and I put all my palette stands on top of that. Okay, my mystery box. I wanted to get both of them, but I'm not that rich. I just couldn't spend that much money to get both the boxes. So again, wrapping paper. And I'm pretty sure there's going to be stuff in here too that I'm going to put away to give it off to someone, because I know a lot of the shades. I know they're not going to look good on my skin tone, so it just makes no sense to keep them if I know it's not gonna. I don't know if this is a good idea, but okay. So the first thing I got is Magic Star Mushroom Mist. A bi-phase serum mist. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Next thing I got is a Supreme Gloss. Ooh, full pigment lip gloss. Full pigment. Oh, I'm gonna keep this on my lap. I don't want to risk leaving it there. It's in No Apologies, and I don't know if I could get this open here. Oh my god! Oh, that is a really nice color, don't get me wrong, but I don't think I would be using that. And since it says full pigment, I'm gonna put that away in the giveaway pile, because I know that I'm not gonna use that. Okay, next, eye gloss powder in Brain Freeze. Let's pretty cool. Eyeglass powder. That's interesting. I wonder what the thing would be, how it would be. Ooh. I don't know if that's it's really glossy. But yeah, okay. Wow, that's pretty. Literally the only Jeffree Star products I own is what I got in the last mystery treat, because I figure if I can save money by only buying stuff for $12, why not? Like, why pay a lot of money? Okay, velour liquid lipstick in Mannequin. I'm pretty sure that's probably not gonna look good on my skin tone either. Yep, it's like a nice nude color, but yeah, that's gonna go in the pile too. Another Supreme gloss in Celebrity Skin. There it is. I don't know, I think I could like, I think I could use that one. Maybe I could mix it with another shade or something. Velvet Trap lipstick. All right, what is the shade? Laced Cake. Oh, look at that packaging. Oh my god, that is so cool. I love it. Oh, and it has little stars all around it. Oh my god. I got one of the velour liquid lipsticks last time, and like that packaging is really good too, but this one, oh my god, this is gorgeous. I love the packaging. I really love mystery boxes. They're so exciting. I'm actually not sure what this is. Is this a phone hanging thingy? Because it's got that thing. I think you hang this on your phone. I'm not even sure what you call those things. But ooh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna put that on my phone. If I'm right, and if that's a phone hanging thing. Hair ties. Ooh. You can never have too many hair ties. That's pretty cool. Pop grip, foam grip, and sand. Ooh, a pop socket. Oh, that is so cute. But I know I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to put that in, like, to give away. Another eyeglass powder. Oh wow, and Taffy Frost. Ooh, that is so cool. I freaking love Jeffree Star. His stuff is really, really, really amazing. A nice little gloss. Yeah, I'll probably keep that because that's nice. I could use it. Okay, Jeffree Star Cosmetics Liquid Lip Threesome Minis. I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna use those either. It's Octopus Sucker, Island Bitch, and Raspberry Beach. Cute, cute, cute. Very cute. Those are the 3 shades. Yeah, I'm gonna try those. But not the purple. I don't think that's, I guess if you never try, you would never know, but I'm also like, oh, should I not? Oh, a lot of singles, eyeshadow singles. There's 6 of them, 6 of these. Equity, Wyoming, Star Creek, Brick, Punk Couture, Glamour Shot. Ooh, I should get one of those magnetic palettes to put all these in and make a palette out of it. Let me just look at one. This is Star Creek. Ooh. I'm pretty sure that will be magnetic and put it on a palette. A nice shimmer there. But yeah, those are all the singles. And there's a palette in here. And it's a palette I don't have, so that is exciting. That's the last thing in the palette, in the box, I'm sorry, is the Banana Fetish palette. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. I was actually kind of hoping for the pink religion in one of the $12 mystery treats because a lot of people did get it, but look at that packaging. Oh my god. And look at the star there. Wow. Jeffree Star's packaging is just amazing. So freaking yellow, and it has a nice little like mirror there. Ooh. A mirror there, and there it is. That's the palette. Oh, that is just gorgeous. Oh, and it spells like banana out here. How cute. Oh my god. I love his palette so much. So that's everything in my mystery box that I got. I think it was a pretty very cool mystery box. This palette is this palette makes me the most happiest. But there's quite a few things in here. Like honestly, it's a good mix of things, and I think it was worth my money for sure. But yeah, I'm gonna put like things away for to give it away to someone. So we'll have a giveaway soon. Just anyone who really would want those products. And so if you like the video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And my next video, actually, I'm really excited about that too, because I ordered a bunch of rare beauty stuff after all the hype and after a long time. I finally ordered it. So I'm going to be trying rare beauty next. So if you like I said, if you like my video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and once I reach, say, maybe at least 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway, and I'm going to give away all those products that I'm not going to use. Well, that's it for today. Have a good day, a great week, and I'll see you until the next video. Bye.